Hello everyone, this is Chad Fox with Not 10 Yacht Sales. Featured in this video is a 2016 Bavaria 360. I'm going to give you a walk around, look at the hull. She is on land. Does have fresh bottom paint. Has a bow thruster. A nice look. There are plenty of windows in the boat. Very bright inside when everything is opened up. Nice walk around. I'll give you a look at the drives. Those have also been freshly painted. Zincs are in good shape. Now we'll go ahead up onto the boat. Nice size swim platform. Does have teak decking. Cooler is included. Nice sliding glass doors to enter the cabin area. So we'll walk up around to the bow. Has a very nice sun pad. Does have a windlass. Look back at the boat. Go back around the port side. Here's a picture without the cover on the aft bench. A lot of seating back here. So you step into the cabin. On the port side, you have your table, chairs, lounge area. It also has an actual full lounger, so you can sit in the cabin as you're heading out and looking out the window. On the starboard side is a small galley. Should say just refrigerator and sink. Move forward, there's your helm station. Very well equipped. Joystick. Fantastic feature. We head down into the cabin. It is a little dark down here because they don't have the DC power on, but the camera brightens it up a little bit. So on your starboard side is your actual galley. Sink, storage, that's your fridge. On the port side is your settee, with a small table that does fold open, so it gets a little bigger. If you head into the forward berth, very nice cushions or mattresses in great shape. You have storage on both sides. Hatch does open and has a screen and a room darkening cover. Also on your starboard side is the head. Very nice head with shower. It is a wet head. And the aft cabin is very, very nice on this boat. Actually has a little bench area you can sit down. Plenty of storage. And you have twin beds in the back. Very, very nice boat. Very clean, in excellent condition. That will conclude our video for the 2016 Bavaria 360. My information is coming up, so please reach out for a private showing. If you like my video, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and safe boating, everyone.